I was amazed to what she got done in 4 hours. Julie and her subby Vesna are both fantastic. The Decluttering Co were wonderful and well organized on site to help our family unclutter our mum and dad's belongings. An incredible help, especially for someone like me with ADHD, autism and chronic pain. It has helped with my mental and physical space tremendously. Very patient in working with my daughter who has ASD. Julie is fantastic and will always go above and beyond with everything she does. Julie was able to be supportive and keep me focused without ever leaving me feeling judged. My space is feeling clearer and calmer. Very meticulous and professional, would highly recommend. She understood my needs as a neurodivergent quiet. Would donate certain items and belongings to the women's shelter. We were so thrilled with their work, over the moon happy. I'm finally able to be comfortable in my home without clutter. Thank you. Left me with great ideas to continue implementing in my home. Professional, friendly, efficient, organized, knowledgeable, easy to communicate with. A complete godsend of an angel to ever grace my poor disorganized house. Always accommodative and good vibes only. Great service to remove those items around the home that take up space but have not been used in years. Very flexible in accommodating my needs. I also appreciated Julie's ability to rehome unwanted goods. She worked hard to sort everything out. What a great service, definitely helped me downsize positions before an international move. Respectful. Also has a fab network of charities that she works with and always aims to recycle the stuff no longer needed. Julie helped me in a very respectful way while also being firm to help me get rid of things. Kind, respectful, non-judgmental, and full of good ideas. Punctual, thorough, and flexible. Everything that felt hard for me was handled with ease by Julie. It has been a joyful experience to know I can downsize, cull, declutter in a sustainable way. Julie helped me tackle areas of the house that I felt overwhelmed to tackle alone. A breath of fresh air. I've been debating hiring a professional organizer for a while, but finally bit the bullet as my garage mess had become overwhelming. I was amazed by how quickly Julie transformed my garage. She decluttered my 14-year-old son's room. It's still clean. It is amazing on how many clothes one person can own.